Hi there guys, so I'm Lee from Ghost of Britain and today we are showing you the EVP Chamber, which we have dubbed it as. It's going to be an amazing piece of equipment by Infrared Andy Bailey. Go and check him out, let's see this baby in action. So the way we are going to use this is we're going to plug a dictaphone into the aux socket and basically ask questions to see if anything is said back on the recording. So let's give it a blast. So we're going to press record. I'm going to turn the volume just very slightly. There we go. So you're getting a bit of feedback there. Just going to zero adjust it so it's there. So you got a slight echo. So we're using the echoes on the EVP to see if there's something there on the recording when we play it back. So if there's anyone here, can you please tell me your name? Now there was a sound there guys and it wasn't me. So let's go and play this back. Turn the volume up. So you get a feedback there. It's going to zero adjust it, so it's there. So you've got a slight echo. So we're using the echoes on the EVP to see if there's something there on the recording when we play it back. So if there's anyone here, can you please tell me your name? Now that was picked up on the EVP Chamber, guys. Very interesting. Another method for EVP Chamber use is to actually put a voice recorder in a different room by an extremely long aux cable, and then you can actually monitor the voice recording in real time if you plug it into the headphone sockets, and it needs to support live audio. So that's another way to use the info portal. There's all different settings as well. There's like 100 settings which you change it and it basically gives a different feedback or reverb effect or echo effect. So yeah, it's a really good piece of equipment. Go and check it out. Andy Bailey, Infrared, great stuff. See you guys soon.